Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you've all enjoyed a wonderful Christmas and New Year and you're ready to get in and start crafting again and be crafty. So the mini catalogue goes live in just a few days on the 5th of January and it's super exciting for that. It's also celebration time. So this runs through January to February 28th to be exact. And celebration happens once a year now with Stampin' Up, where you can earn free celebration items with qualifying orders. So exciting and a great time to stock up on your craft supplies. But we're here to talk about the mini catalogue and the paper share that I have running at the moment. It is a great way of getting a ton of DSP or designer series paper in your stash with a bit smaller of a handprint, so you don't have a whole heap of paper that you won't use, but you're getting a whole range of them, so you've got a good array where you're not going to have it sitting for a long time. So hopefully that's the way it works. Also, the great way of having a paper share means that if you come across a few packs that you really like, you can purchase the fuller pack and have a lot more to use. So my paper share has 11 of the papers, designer series paper packs in there. You're getting a quarter pack of each of the 11 papers. I have the kit, the papers here to go through each one with you just so you can see them, but it is all 11 and you'll get a quarter pack of each of the 11 papers. Now this is also a little bit more than a paper share. I have card kits that I send out that will have a video tutorial as well as a PDF tutorial, so it'll have all the details on the PDF as well. All the supplies that you need for your card kits are all pre-cut, pre-die cut. Your embellishments, your ribbons, everything is included, so it's a great way of to get started with your paper DSP packs and crafting with them. I will show you in just a minute the products that I'm using on my card kits, but what's really great about my cards is you can use whatever you have in your stash, and I'll talk about that in just a little bit. But let's go through the papers because I think this is the most important thing in the paper share. So we're looking at the first pack. Now this is called Country Floral. It has hearts and flowers galore in it. So pretty, really gorgeous colors and designs. This is a suite actually in the catalogue, so you can get a punch and a stamp set. I think there's actually 2 bundles in the suite, so that's always fun. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the colors in here, and if you like to create lots of Valentine's cards, that one is perfect for it. So that's Country Floral. The next one we have is great for our masculine cards and some feminine cards as well. This is called Ready to Ride. It is specialty DSP, and the reason it's specialty DSP is because one side actually is really shiny. So one sheet actually has quite a few different labels in it. We have that one, that one. Okay, this is, let's show some specialty. So really gorgeous, look at that. You could fussy cut all these flowers out. Some spinners, nuts, polka dots and some stars. So gorgeous specialty paper for the man. Now this is also has a bundle with it, so if you like motorbikes, that's one that you're going to need. Okay, the next pack I have is the Rain or Shine. This is specialty paper. This is gorgeous. I love this pack, and the bundle that is part of the suite is gorgeous. If you like animals, you like cutesy, you're gonna need this set. Love the bright fun colors. Okay, so that's other side. So this is specialty, so it has that shimmer and shine in there. Let's turn it over. Some umbrellas, pretty floral pattern. There is tons of little animals in here, so we've got turtles or tortoises, some pigs, some dogs. Look at that. some more. And if you get the bundle, these actually die cut your images out as well. So super cute. Pack that one. Okay, we have the next one, which is actually called Country Gingham. It's also part of that first suite that we looked at, the country floral. This one has lots of different gingham designs in different sizes, using a great palette range, the same as really the country floral. So you've got some really beautiful colors in this, and a lot of people love their gingham, so lots of different designs on gingham as well. So super cute. All right, now this one I am so amazed with, because in the catalogue really does not give it justice. This is called Regency Park. If you get this in your hands, you will be amazed. It has an effect. It actually looks like material. It has like a textured effect look to it. It's actually not textured at all, but it certainly looks textured. And I love it. I think lovely, bright, fun, happy colors. Which that looks like a close-up with material. Just gorgeous. Once again, you can see the textured look of like denim there. That's really pretty. This is one of my favorite DSP packs in the catalogue. And like I said, the catalogue really does not do it justice. So that one is Regency Park. The next one that we have is really pretty as well. It is called, let me just find the end, Fancy Flora. And this is like very textured look, like as though it's on canvas, but the colors are absolutely amazing. Look at that. These could be just popped in frames too. I love that Stampin' Up do such a great job with some of their DSPs that, you know, you could easily put them in frames and they would look like artwork. So really, really pretty. Just think these are amazing as well. Lots of texture look to the DSP, which is lovely, and the colors are just amazing. This is actually on the back of the mini catalogue. You can see it, that design. Okay, so the next one we have is By the Bay. This is also specialty paper. So it's got a lot of that gold foiling, some crabs and birds, a school of fish. Don't know what way that'd go, maybe that way. Look at that. That could be framed. Does that not just look like an ocean and some land in the background? Really pretty. And then we have like a shell that's specialty foiled, waves, some more shells, a beach, oh sorry, a wooden, that's wooden, that's not beach. And then that side's specialty. Look at that. It's a bit tricky on the eyes. Again, another great one. There will be a great landscape. I think these are mussels or pippies. Really pretty. So another school of fish, some crabs, some waves. And these are the larger shells, and that one's really pretty. It's like the mother of pearl look to it. And look at that. That I think is my favorite in that pack. All right, we have the next one is Delicate Desert. This is really pretty, soft colors. Now there's the other side. That's really pretty. This also has a bundle attached with it. Very earthy colors. I like that design. That's really pretty. That is like a brushed effect. And then we've got a couple of geometrical designs. I don't know whether that's the right way to say it, but anyway. Okay, so the next pack we have is Enjoy the Journey. This is gorgeous. Again, this is another pack that you could frame or use as background scenes, but it's also beautiful colors with that one. This is one of the packs of DSP that I've used for my cards. So I've also used the Rain or Shine, and the Delicate Desert was the other one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Another one. Look at that. And a starry sky as well, which is gorgeous. Okay, so the last one I have to show you is the dry brushed metallic. You're only getting 4 of these in your kit because that's the quarter pack. There are 2 sheets of each in the pack, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And the 11th pack of paper is called Like an Animal. I just don't have it at the moment, so I can't show it to you, but there is another quarter pack of DSP that you'll receive as your paper share. So that is the paper that you'll receive, plus the 11th pack, but super cute. Lots and lots of papers there that you can use. Let me just show you the stamp sets that I'm using with my card kits. I've used the Playing in the Rain bundle. You don't need the bundle, but I have used the clouds and one of the sentiments for one of the cards. So you could get away with using what products you have in your stash, or you could purchase this one in my online store and be ready for the paper, the cards in the paper share. I've also used the Beautifully Happy stamp set. Now this is a free celebration item with $180 spend, so you can pick up this stamp set absolutely free with $180 spend. This is a really great stamp set for 2 reasons. There is gorgeous imagery that you can use, as well as the sentiments. The sentiments work for so many different things. There's for a feeling better kind of day, sending happy thoughts, for a very happy birthday, kindness matters, thank you, and you are easy to love. I love stamp sets that have a whole range of sentiment pieces that you can use on lots of different cards, and then when you have a few images that you can use as well, it is an all-rounder. So this is one that I highly recommend picking up as your free celebration item if you create that coordinating or that qualifying order. Once again, the cards that I'm sending you, the card kits that I'm sending you, you can use things that are in your stash. I have used a couple of die sets, but all these things will be die cut ready for your card kits to go together. I have my amazing stylish shapes dies. I use these on so many of my cards. I highly recommend, if you don't have this die set, please go out and get it. It is amazing. And also I'm using a new alphabet stamp set that's in the mini catalogue. This one is called Alphabet a la Mode dies, and for some reason I cannot remember that name, but Alphabet a la Mode dies, a really great die set to create lots of different cards. So I've used this on one of the cards as well, so I've already die cut the sentiment using these for the kits. Alright, so that is what's included. Let me just quickly go through the colour palette that I've used on the cards. We have Petal Pink, Flirty Flamingo, Balmy Blue and Pale Papaya. Once again, if you do not have these colours, you can use something very similar, or you could just use Memento Tuxedo Black ink and that would work as well. So you've got a few different options there. I just wanted to let you know what I'm using on the card kits, but if you don't have them, don't stress. It's not going to be the end of your card kit. You will still get the beautiful cards out of that set. So to sign up, all you need to do is head over to my blog, www.tracy.bish.blogspot.com. Up in the top of my title, there is a register for the mini catalogue paper share. Click on that, fill in your details, and I will send you a PayPal invoice where you can pay for it. It's $70, which includes your DSP, your postage to your address, which has tracking, and you're also going to get the card kits there as well. I've also got a little gift in there for you just for taking part, so I'm not going to let you know what that is, but there is going to be a little gift in there. The registration does close on the 20th of January, so you do have a few days to get in and register, but the payment will be required on the 23rd of January. So if you're leaving it till the 20th of January, you've only got 3 days to pay that invoice. I will be placing the order through Stampin' Up on the 24th of January, and then as soon as I get that product in my hand, I will cut them. They will be put into individual bags, so each DSP pack will go into an individual bag. Let me just show you like this. And then each bag will also have a label that will tell you the product number, the name, and all the information on there for you. So it makes it quite easy for you to know which pack you're playing with. Okay, so I think that's everything. I really hope that you'll come and join in with this mini catalogue paper share. My name's Tracy.bish, and if you don't already shop with anyone in Australia, you can certainly shop with me. I would love to be your demonstrator. But yeah, come and join in the paper share, come and have some fun with making some cards, and I hope to see you all soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone, and have a great day. Bye-bye.